A number of retailers reporting this week, including Macy's, Lowe's, Best Buy, Birkenstock, and TJ Maxx. That stock touching an all-time high today. But joining us now on retail and the state of the consumer is Gerald Storch. He's currently the CEO of Storch Advisors. He was the former CEO of Toys R Us and more. Jerry, it's good to have you back on the show. Before I start getting into what to expect from Macy's and the others, the strength and resiliency of the consumer. I mean, I can think about you coming on the show last year and saying that you were concerned about it. It's held up pretty well despite inflation. Your thoughts now?
Well, look, two things we know for sure about the consumer. First is they've held up a lot better than most people, including me, thought they would. Secondly, most of the overhangs, the factors that had people worried, are still there. So you still have rising consumer debt, decreased savings, and, of course, ongoing inflation. So there's reasons to still have some concern. When you look at the retailers that reported so far, it's early in this earnings season. We're getting a slew more, as you point out, this week and next week. So far, we heard from two big ones, though, Walmart and Home Depot, and it's a mixed bag. So if you look at same-store sales, which is the gold standard for retailing, Walmart reported for the fourth quarter 4.0% same-store sales growth. In the third quarter, it was 4.9%. Home Depot reported -3% for this fourth quarter, and in the third quarter, it was -3.9%. So basically, they're clones of the prior quarter. So we wonder whether that's what we're going to see when retailers report. We don't know yet. We're going to find out soon.
Okay. So Macy's specifically, which reports tomorrow. We know activist investor Arkhouse Management is involved there, nominated 9 people to the board. The company rejected an unsolicited takeover bid from an investor group led by them as well. How much is riding on results tomorrow and an outlook that is going to be impressive to Wall Street, given that proxy fight?
Morgan, I love you dearly, but I'm conflicted in that situation, so I'm really not able to talk about it today. In general, what we see is that value retailers are thriving. So people like Walmart, like Costco, like TJX, food is taking a lot of the consumer dollar. There's been a lot of documentation that that's where the money is going. Discretionary products are not doing as well, whether that's apparel, home furnishings, building materials, electronics. Those are tougher categories.
Jerry, I'm particularly eager to see TJX results because the off-price retailer has been performing so well. Its operations seem tight. But comparing it to Walmart, Walmart is moving more into advertising, even digital. It's doing more with omnichannel and online. Am I wrong here, or is TJX a really interesting gut check on whether it can continue growing into its valuation in this environment?
Hey, they proved all the naysayers wrong. I'll tell you a quick story. When I was at McKinsey many decades ago, seriously, I worked at TJ Maxx, and they thought the whole country might hold 500 stores, and then they'd be maxed out. And they couldn't even build anymore. Now they've got thousands of stores. They keep growing. The company's worth $100 billion. So I'm not going to start capping their growth. And they're doing it without much of an internet to speak of, as you point out, and without going to all these finagling, marketplaces and advertising services. They're just offering tremendous value every single day, and that continues to work for them, as it does for Walmart, as it does for Costco, as it does for the dollar stores, who are doing much better right now. And, of course, don't forget Amazon when you put together your wish list of companies that are thriving in this environment.
But Walmart's going after more, as I mentioned, more aggressively, I think, than TJX is. So not saying can TJX continue to perform, but can it continue to perform up to how it's priced?
I think they can. They're just because people, it used to be that their slogan was, why pay department store prices? Now, they're much larger than the entire department store sector. So, as I've said many, many times on this show and elsewhere, the parasite has devoured the host. And they're growing like crazy. People love it. I think they continue growing. No, Walmart's no slacker. They've always been one of my picks. Go back and check. For 2 years, I've said Walmart, Costco. Those are huge winners in this environment. Walmart, never forget, is the leading grocer in the country. And as I mentioned earlier, money is going to grocery. And that grocery drives frequency and trips. And while they're there, they buy everything else because they know that the prices at Walmart are good. They have a well-developed internet. The in-store pickup has been growing very, very rapidly. We buy online and pick up in the store. So they're doing quite well. And they're growing services, growing everywhere. So I would never knock Walmart, but TJ Maxx can still do great.